toothpaste trick to get rid of dark spots. Today I will share an amazing beauty hack with toothpaste. Just apply toothpaste on your dark spots and see the magic. Toothpaste is not only used for teeth, it can be used on your skin also to remove all skin problems like blemishes, acne, dark spots and wrinkles. It also lightens the pigmentation of your skin, thus giving you better feel and look. Ingredients you will need: 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. I prefer fresh aloe vera gel. If the plant is not available at home, you can use Patanjali aloe vera gel. 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, preferably Colgate White Strong Teeth. 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Method: in a clean bowl, take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, preferably Colgate White Strong Teeth, and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients really well to combine them together. And your amazing beauty hack is now ready. Apply this to your skin and leave it for good 15 minutes, then rinse it off normal water and tap dry it, and apply a good moisturizer to hydrate your skin. This pack helps in removing dark circles and puffiness from under the eye area. It also helps in removing acne, pimples, skin tags and dark spots, and thereby giving you radiant and flawless looking skin.